Yo, what's popping, guys? Welcome back to my another video. And in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to print liquid glitter photo shake. It's pretty shiny, right? And as you can see, the things on our table is that we're gonna use in our process: glove, photo shake, printing paper, pastel, Teflon sheet, and high heat resistant tape. Of course, our printing machine A03. And next, I'm gonna set the printing parameters. Temperature is 180 Celsius degrees, then time it should be 60 seconds. Okay, next, I gotta tear off the film on pastel and stick it on printing paper with high heat resistant tapes. And then I'm just gonna put these little two things on lower platinum, fully covered with Teflon sheet. Oh, by the way, the pressure we are using right now are medium, and we suggest you medium pressure. And this handle means automatic mode. And you guys might wonder, how do we change it to manual mode? We just need to twist it. Right now it's manual mode, but normally we use automatic mode to print something because it's a lot more convenient. Okay, thumbs up, guys. Before touch it, we just wear gloves for protecting ourselves. Uncover Teflon sheet. Let's check out the final result. Okay, guys, then I'm gonna show you how to assemble it. Just insert the pastel on both sides. Okay, it's pretty easy, right? Okay, see?